In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Earth Street View and how you can zoom in. Maybe we want to zoom in at this lady and see what fruit she's selling. So I'm going to show you how you can do that in this video. So first you need to head over to Google Earth. Now I'm using Google Earth Web. So if you just go to Google and just type in Google Earth, it will then take you to this window with all the results. And if you go to googleearth.com/web, as long as you're signed into a Google account, should then load you into Google Earth. Now it will load you in here into the last place that you visited on Google Earth or Maps. You can change that by going to the search engine. Maybe you want to search for a very specific street. So I'll just search for Asok Bangkok. And that is a very specific street, right? Let's say we wanted to access this street. Now, once we're here, we can go ahead and move around. You can zoom in and out of the actual map with your scroll wheel on the mouse, or also the zoom in and out tool in the bottom right. Now to enter Street View, go ahead and hold down on this man, and you can put this man wherever blue is highlighted. Just make sure it's on a road though, and it's not an actual image. Like here, I've just accidentally put it into a shop. So for the most accuracy, you want to zoom in with the scroll wheel or the plus and minus. Once you've found yourself on a road though, to zoom in, you can just use the scroll wheel on the mouse or also this plus here, and you can kind of zoom in. You can only zoom in so far, but that's how you do it. You can also move around as well. So I hope that quick video did help you out.